Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. நம்ம வந்து போன சாப்டரில் பார்ட் 1 பார்த்தோம். இதில் பார்ட் 2 கண்டினியூஷன் பார்க்கலாம். எஜுகேஷன் அண்ட் லிட்ரேச்சர் பார்க்கலாம். Gatika monastery or center of learning at Kanchi was popular during the Pallava times and it attracted students from all parts of India and abroad. Vatsya, who wrote Nyaya Bhashya, was a teacher at Kanchi. The treatise on Dakshin Chitram, paintings of South India, was compiled during the reign of Mahendravarma I. The great Sanskrit scholar Dandin lived in the court of Narasimhavarma I. Dandin composed Dashakumara Charita. Bharavi, the great Sanskrit scholar, lived in the time of Simhavishnu. Bharavi wrote Kiratarjunya, an epic in verses. Tamil literature had also flourished during the Pallava rule. Devaram, composed by Nayanmars, and Nalayara Divya Prabandham, composed by Alvars, which are still chanted by devout people. Perundevanar, who was patronized by Nandivarman II, translated the Mahabharata into Tamil as Bharata Venba. Pallava art. The Pallava kings had also patronized fine arts. A music inscription in Kudumiyan Malai and Thirumayam temples shows Pallava's interest in music. A famous musician, Rudracharya, lived during Mahendravarma I. The sculptures of this period depict many images in dancing postures. The Chalukyas. The Chalukyas ruled large parts of western center of South India, consisting of Maratha country with Vatapi, Badami as their capital. There were three distinct but closely related and independent Chalukya dynasties. They were Chalukya of Badami, Chalukya of Vengi, Eastern Chalukya, third one Chalukyas of Kalyani, Western Chalukya. These Chalukyas held Harsha in the north, the Pallavas in the south, and Kalinga in the east. Kalinga, Odisha. Sources. Inscription. Badami gave inscription of Mangalesha. Kanchi Kailasanatha temple inscription. Pattadakkal Virupsha temple inscription. Aihole inscription of Pulikezhin I. Foreign notice. Accounts of Chinese traveler Hyun Sang. Aihole inscription. It is found at Meguti temple in Aihole, Bangalkot district, Karnataka. It is written in Sanskrit by Ravi Kirti, a court poet of Chalukya king Pulikezhin II. It makes a mention of the defeat of Harshavardhana by Pulikezhin II. The Chalukyas of Vatapi. Pulikezhin I, a petty chieftain of Pattadakkal in the Bijapur district, took and fortified the hill fort of Vatapi around 543 AD. He soon conquered the territory between the Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers and the western Ghats. His son Kirtivarman I, 566 to 597, brought the Konkan coast under Chalukya control. Pulikezhin II emerged as the most powerful ruler of the dynasty. The Persian king Khusro II sent an embassy to the court of Pulikezhin II. Pulikezhin succeeded in seizing parts of Gujarat and Malwa. He defied the North Indian ruler Harsha, and according to an agreed understanding, Narmada river was fixed as the boundary between the two. About 624, Pulikezhin II conquered the kingdom of Vengi and gave it to his brother Vishnuvardhana, the first Eastern Chalukya ruler. During 641 to 647, the Pallavas ravaged the Deccan and captured Vatapi, but the Chalukyas had recaptured it by 655. Vikramaditya I, 655 to 680, and Vikramaditya II, the successor of Vikramaditya I, captured Kanjipuram but spared the city. Kirtivarman II, the successor of Vikramaditya II, was defeated by Dandidurga, the founder of the Rashtrakuta dynasty. Western Chalukyas of Kalyani. They were the descendants of Badami Chalukyas ruled from Kalyani. Modern day Basava Kalyan. In 1973, Tailapa II, a feudatory of the Rashtrakuta ruling from Bijapur region, defeated Parmara of Malwa. Tailapa II occupied Kalyani and its dynasty quickly grew into an empire under Someswara I. Someswara I moved the capital from Manyaketa to Kalyani. For over a century, the two empires of South Indian, the Western Chalukya and the Chola dynasty of Tanjavur, fought many fierce battles to control the fertile region of Vengi. During the rule of Vikramaditya VI in the late 11th century, vast areas between the Narmada river in the north and the Kaveri river in the south came under Chalukya control. Contribution to art and architecture. As supporters of both Saivism and Vaishnavism, the Chalukya contributed richly to art and architecture. A new style of architecture known as Vesara was developed. Vesara is a combination of South Indian Dravida and the North Indian Nagara building styles. They perfected the art of stone building without mortar. They used soft sandstones in construction. They built a number of rock cut temples and structural temples dedicated to Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. The structural temples of Chalukyas exist at Aihole, Padami and Padadakal. The important stone temples are the Vishnu temple at Padami and Aihole and the Virupaksha or Shiva temple at Padadakal in Bijapur district, present-day Karnataka. The Vishnu temple at Padami was built by Mangalesa of the Chalukya dynasty and contains the Aihole inscription of Vikramaditya II. Their cave temples are found at Ajanta, Ellora and Nasik. The cave temple at Padami contains the fine sculptures of Vishnu reclining on Seshanak, Varaha, the boar, Narasimha or the lion-faced man, and the Vamana the dwarf, the Kasi Vishweshwara temple at Lakundi, the Mallikarjuna temple at Kuruvetti, the Kalishwara temple at Bahali, and the Mahadeva temple at Itagi represent well-known examples of the architecture of Western Chalukyas of Kalyani. Chalukyas adopted the Vakataka style in paintings. Some of the frescoes of the caves of Ajanta were created during the reign of Chalukyas. The reception given to the Persian embassy by Pulikesi II is depicted in a painting at Ajanta. Patakal, UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a small village in Bagaltok district of Karnataka. It has 10 temples. Out of them, 4 were built in northern style Nagara, while the rest 6 are in southern Dravida style. Virupaksha temple and Sangameshwara temple are in Dravidian style, and Papanatha temple is in Nagara style. The Virupaksha temple is built on the model of Kanchi Kailasanatha temple. Sculptors bought from Kanchi were employed in its construction. Cave temple Padami, and next one the Kaileshwara temple Bagali. Rashtrakutas. The Rashtrakutas ruled not only the Deccan but parts of the far south and the Ganges plain as well as from 8th to 10th century. They were of Kannada origin and their mother tongue was Kannada. Dandi Durga was the founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty. He was an official of high rank under the Chalukyas of Padami. Krishna once succeeded Dandi Durga. He consolidated and extended the Rashtrakuta power. He was a great patron of art and architecture. The Kailasanatha temple at Ellora was built by him. Rashtrakuta kings. The greatest king of the Rashtrakuta dynasty was Amoghavasha. He built a new capital at Manyakheta, now Malkad in Karnataka, and the Broch became the port. Amoghavasha period 814 to 878 was converted to Jainism by Jinnasena, a Jain monk. Krishna too, who succeeded his father Amoghavasha, suffered a defeat in the Battle of Vallala, model Tiruvallam Velu district, at the hands of Cholas under Parantaka in 916. Krishna III, 939 to 967, was the last able ruler of Rashtrakuta dynasty. He defeated the Chola in the Battle of Takolam, presently in Velu district.